You're watching advanced tutorials, and here we are back with another video. In this video I will be sharing with you guys how to draw the hexagon. Obviously there will be two cases. One will be when the base or the edge of the hexagon will be resting in HP, and another one will be when the corner of the hexagon will be resting in HP. Let us suppose the question asks us to draw the hexagon whose base, or what we can say the edge, is equal to how much? Let us suppose it is 25 mm. Alright, and the question will also tell you whether it is the base or whether it is the corner who's resting in HP. Let us suppose for the question asks us to draw the hexagon whose corner is in HP. Alright, so what I will do is I will first of all draw the XY line, that is a general axis. So here it is, X and Y. Next what I will do is I will take this compass and open it up to the radius of 25 mm, because it is given in the question that the edge of your hexagon is equal to how much? 25 mm. So I will open up this compass equal to 25 mm. Here it is 25, and then what I will do is I will draw a circle below this axis because it is a first angle projection. If the question asks you if the question will ask you that you have to make it in the third angle projection, you have to make this circle over here. All right, next, so here is a very dim circle. Next what I will do is I will draw a diagonal, a horizontal diagonal, not the vertical one, and I will name it as A and B. Alright, then I will take this compass again with the same radius again, that is 25 mm, and place it at point B and draw an arc in the upper direction and in the lower direction as well. Then with the same radius, and I will place this compass at point A and draw another arc above this diagonal and another arc below this diagonal. These arcs will definitely intersect this circle, and I will note that points where these arcs will intersect this circle. Let us suppose this is C, D, this is E, and this is F. Next what I will do is I will simply join these points, that is I will join point B with point D. So here it is. Then I will join this point C with point D. Then I will join this point A with point C. And then I will join this point A with point E. Point E with point F. And point F with point B. You have to make this make these sides dark because it is the true shape of this hexagon. So this is the hexagon whose edge, or sorry, whose corner, as you can see the corner is in the left hand side, whose corner is resting in HP. Next I will be sharing with you how to draw the hexagon whose base or edge will be resting in HP. Now I'm gonna show you how to draw the hexagon whose edge or base is resting in HP. Again I will take the hexagon whose base or edge is equal to how much? 25 mm. But this time it will be the edge, or what we can say the base, which will be in HP. We all know that this is HP and this is VP because this is a first angle projection. Next what I will do is I will take the compass again and open it equal to 25 mm. So here it is 25 mm, and draw again a circle, a dim circle. So here is a dim circle. Alright, Then what I will do is I will draw a diagonal, but this time a vertical one. So here is the diagonal. This is the vertical one. This should always be dim. Now I will again name it as A and this as B. Alright. Then I will take this compass with the same radius, that is equal to 25 mm, and place it at point B and draw the arc on the left hand side of this diagonal as well as on the right hand side. Then I will take the compass to point B and draw another arc on the left hand side and on the right hand side. These arcs will definitely intersect this circle. So I'll mark those points where this arc will be intersecting this circle. Let me name them as C, D, E and F. Next what I will do is I'll simply join these points. That is, I'll join point A with point F, point E with point F, point B with point E, point C with point B, point C with point D, and this point D with point A. So this completes my hexagon, whose edge, as you can see that this edge is in the left hand side. So this is the hexagon whose edge is resting in HP. And you can also see that this edge is equal to how much? This is equal to 25 mm. Next, you can, if you wish, you can erase this circle. Alright, so this is the hexagon whose edge is resting in HP. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.